23 minus 72, 95 minus 45, 87 minus 65, 85 minus 43 minus 27, 32. Answer
120.
120. Right, 120 is the right answer. So next question, 14, 34 minus 36, 53 minus 44, 61 minus 28, 69 minus 59 minus 64. Answer
0.
0. Right. So both of them are correct. Very good. So
Thank you,
the
sir.
speed is 1200. So I opened the flashcards website and I dictated the questions. If you want to dictate the questions, you can also select an option called as dictations. In that, computer only will dictate the question. In that case, someone need not dictate the question. But for in the video, I wanted to demonstrate. So that's why I only dictated the questions. Okay. So now Janvi will be giving a demonstration about multiplications.